At March 2016, reports stated that coral bleaching was more widespread than previously thought, seriously affecting the northern part of the reef as a result of warming ocean temperatures. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, stretching for over 2,300 kilometers over an area of approximately 3,44,400 square kilometers. The reef is located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef can be seen from outer space and is the world's biggest single structure made by living organisms. This reef structure is composed of and built by billions of tiny organisms known as coral polyps. Well, what is a coral polyps? Coral polyps are tiny, soft-bodied organisms related to sea anemones and jellyfish. At their base is a hard, protective limestone skeleton called a calicle, which forms the structure of coral reefs. Reefs begin when a polyp attaches itself to a rock on the seafloor, then divides or bursts into thousands of clones. The plate tectonic theory indicates Australia has moved northwards at the rate of 7 cm per year starting during the Cenozoic. Eastern Australia experienced a period of tectonic uplift which moved the drainage divide in Queensland 400 km inland. Also during this time, Queensland experienced volcanic eruptions leading to central and shield volcanoes and basalt flows. Some of these became high icelands. After the Coral Sea Basin formed, coral reefs began to grow in the basin, but until about 25 million years ago, northern Queensland was still in temperature waters south of the tropics, too cool to support coral growth. Reefs can increase in diameter by 1 to 3 centimeters per year and grow vertically anywhere from 1 to 25 centimeters per year. However, when Queensland edged into tropical waters 24 million years ago, some coral grew, but a sedimentation regime quickly developed with erosion of Great Dividing Range, creating river deltas, oozes, and turbidites, unsuitable conditions for coral growth. Ecology. The Great Barrier Reef supports an extraordinary diversity of life, including many vulnerable or endangered species, some of which may be endemic to the reef system. 6 species of sea turtles come to the reef to breed: the green sea turtle, leatherback sea turtle, hawksbill turtle, loggerhead sea turtle, flatback turtle, and the olive ridley. The green sea turtle on the Great Barrier Reef has two genetically distinct populations, one in the northern part of the reef and other in the southern part. The most common genera of seagrasses are Halophila and Halodule. Not only turtles, there are saltwater crocodiles living in mangroves and salt marshes on the coast near the reef. Around 125 species of shark, stingray, skates, or chimera live on the reef. There are even 215 species of birds, including 22 species of seabirds and 32 species of shorebirds, which visit the reef or nest or roost on the island. Threats: climate change, pollution, crown of thorn starfish, and fishing are the primary threats to the health of this reef system. Other threats include shipping accidents, oil spills, and tropical cyclones. Skeletal eroding band, a disease of bony coral caused by the protozoan Halofolliculina coralgia, affects 31 coral species. According to a 2012 study by the National Academy of Science, since 1985, the Great Barrier Reef has lost more than half of its coral, with 2/3 of the loss occurring from 1998 due to the factors listed before. Mass coral bleaching events due to marine heat waves occurred in the summers of 1998, 2002, and 2006, and coral bleaching is expected to become an annual occurrence. As global warming continues, coral will not be able to keep up with increasing ocean temperatures. Coral bleaching events lead to increased disease susceptibility, which cause detrimental ecological effects for reef communities. Climate change has implications for other forms of reef life. Some fish prefer temperature range leads them to seek new habitats, thus increasing chick mortality in predatory seabirds. Climate change will also affect the population and sea turtles' available habitat. Another key threat faced by the Great Barrier Reef is pollution and declining water quality. The river of northeastern Australia pollute the reef during tropical flood events. Over 90% of this pollution comes from farm runoff. 80% of the land adjacent to Great Barrier Reef is used for farming, including intensive cropping of sugarcane and major beef cattle grazing. Farming practices, nutrients and chemicals including fertilizers, herbicides and pesticides, representing a major health risk for the coral and biodiversity of the reefs. Shipping accidents are a pressing concern as several commercial shipping routes pass through the Great Barrier Reef. Although the route through the Great Barrier Reef is not easy, reef pilots consider it safer than outside the reef in the event of mechanical failure. There have been over 1,600 known shipwrecks in the Great Barrier Reef region. On 3rd April 2010, the bulk coal carrier Shenyang 1 ran around on Douglas Shoals, spilling up to 4 tons of oil into the water and causing extensive damage to the reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, and it's currently facing many environmental threats. This so-called threat is caused mainly due to human activities and can be reduced by taking certain measures like decreasing the greenhouse gases. Spread awareness across the globe to protect one of the nature's wonders and also for the future generation to enjoy its beautiful environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you want any video like this, type in the comment section. It's my pleasure to make videos for you. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let us meet in the next video. Have a good day.